Okay, dear children, so welcome to the second part of the video. We have already conducted this activity. Do you remember the sanitizer example which I had given you all? So यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे you have to focus, okay? How you can make your own water bottle with the proper measurements. Now let us see what Aditya and Leela are doing. आदित्य ने 2 स्मॉल बॉटल्स को पॉर किया 1 लीटर बॉटल बनाने के लिए। तो इसका मतलब है कि आदित्य के पास जो बॉटल है वो 500 ml की है। When we talk about लीला ने 1 लीटर बॉटल भरने के लिए 5 टाइम्स स्मॉल बॉटल्स को पॉर किया। सो 5 टाइम्स के लिए कैन यू गेस द साइज ऑफ द बॉटल? यस। अब आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन मेजरिंग बॉटल। रामू ने क्या किया, एक 250 ml का बॉटल लिया। उसमें से उसने जितने बार वो रिफिल करता गया एक बड़ी साइज की बॉटल को, उतने टाइम उसने मार्किंग दिया। ठीक है, सो ये तो हमने डिस्कस किया है। जैसे 250 ml को 1 लीटर बनने के लिए कितने टाइम्स पॉर करना पड़ेगा? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So dear children, this you have already studied with that sanitizer example. Now try it yourself. This is your assignment, this is your activity. आपको 200 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml, 1 लीटर के आप कैसे अपने बॉटल में मेजरमेंट करोगे? You have to try it and then you will discuss it with me. Now let us guess and check. There are so many things in our house which can fill water, okay, which can fill water. So my dear children, bucket, mug, glasses, cups, bowls, pots, ये सारी चीजें आपके हिसाब से, प्रेशर कुकर, you have to first guess कितना ml या कितना लीटर बॉटल ऑफ वाटर ये लोग होल्ड कर सकते हैं, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेजर इट। Just do not make it a disaster like these children. See, first and foremost, you should not sit near the gas stove, as this is very, very, very dangerous and risky. And whenever you're doing this task, you're supposed to do it under your parents or guardians supervision. Do not just enter the kitchen on your own, because it can get dangerous or risky because of the gas stove. Now dear children, we have studied all about liters and the water, the quantity which is greater. Now let us talk about smaller quantities. Dear children, smaller quantities like ml, 1 ml, 2 ml, 10 ml, 20 ml. Now let us deal about that. But before dealing with it, let me remind you what we have already studied in the previous class also. अगर आपको quantity of 1 दिया है और many ढूंढना है तो आप multiply करेंगे, और आपको many दिया है 1 ढूंढना है so आप divide करेंगे. Now you are going to tell me Neetu is in the hospital. Neetu has to take 3 injections in a day for 5 days. 5 days के लिए she has to take 3 injections in 1 day. So 1 day में वो कितने injections ले रही है? Yes, in 1 day she is taking 3. 5 days के लिए उसे कितने injections लेने होंगे? 5 multiplied by 3, 15 injections. अब 1 इंजेक्शन में उसे 5 ml का मेडिसिन मिल रहा है। 5 ml का मेडिसिन एक इंजेक्शन में, तो वैसे 3 इंजेक्शन में उसे कितना मिल रहा है? 15 ml ऑफ मेडिसिन 1 डे को मिल रहा है. If 1 day it is 15, then 5 day it is how much? Again you will multiply 15 multiplied by 5, 75. Now my question is, dear children, उसे 5 days में 75 ml इंजेक्शन लेना है. So क्यों ना हम उसे एक ही दिन में इंजेक्शन दे देवे, and then what if then she is ready to go home? Can we do this dangerous task? No, we cannot do this dangerous task. Why, my dear children? Because medicines का जो डॉक्टर ने प्रिस्क्राइब किया है उतना ही लेना पड़ता है. You cannot over or underdose your medicines. इसीलिए अगर आपने सिरप का बॉटल देखा होगा तो उसके ऊपर एक कैप होता है. वो कैप में 5 ml, 10 ml, 15 ml, 20 ml के मेजरमेंट्स होते हैं और उसी हिसाब से मम्मा आपको मेडिसिन देते हैं. Now, how much medicine will she need for one day? As already discussed, she'll require 15 ml of medicine in one day. How much medicine in all for all the days? 15 multiplied by 5 is 75 ml for all the days. Now, there is an animal that is asking, how much medicine will I need for one injection? Now, dear children, this basically depends on your age, the disease or the requirement of the injection, the age, gender, the species, whether it is an animal or a human. Based on that, the injection is prescribed by the doctor, not like you and me. आप और मैं मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते, वो डॉक्टर ही कर सकते हैं. Now, this we have already discussed. Now let us talk about this. How much do we use at a time? Injection यहाँ पे less than 5 ml भी आ सकता है, dear children. Like I said, जितना requirement है. कप, तो जो कप का साइज है उस हिसाब से वाटर 250 ml on an average people drink, but this might change if you are extremely thirsty or if you are under the scorching sun. So this water level, water quantity will change. When we talk about milk, dear children, people like you and I will not require much milk, but athletes, wrestlers will definitely drink more than 250 ml of milk at a time. So it basically also depends on the profession, but ये on an average हम लिख रहे हैं. Let the things be used more than 1 liter at a time. So there's water which you require for taking bath. Basically, आपका 3rd standard का chapter water or water, things, activities you require which needs water, things and activities which you require which doesn't need water. So water is required for taking bath, washing a 4-wheeler, cleaning kitchen utensils, water for washing clothes. Now you all will tell me ऐसा कौन सा सामान activities है जिसके लिए less than 1 liter लगता है. So less than 1 liter water किसके लिए लग सकता है, आप बताइए मुझे. Come on, brushing your teeth. How about washing your hands? So you will tell me 2 more examples जहाँ less than 1 liter water use होता है. Now let us focus on word problems. Amina's water bottle holds 1 liter of bottle. She drank 250 ml of water and her friend Govind drank 150 ml of water. How much water is left in her bottle? Now my dear children, I want you to add this orally. Okay, 250 plus 150. Come on, start calculating. 250 plus 100 is how much? 350. 350, but ये 50 रह गया ना, so 350 plus 50 is how much? 400. अब आप मुझे बताएंगे 1 liter is how many milliliter? That is 1000 milliliter. So 1000 minus 400 is how much, my dear children? Very correct, it is 600. इसका एक शॉर्टकट बताती हूँ. 1000 minus 400 को आप 10 minus 4 भी कर सकते हो. 100 माइनस 40 भी कर सकते हो, तो आपको ओरली आंसर मिल जाएगा। 10 माइनस 4 किया तो बाद में एक जीरो पुट कर देना, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आप एक जीरो कट कर दोगे ना। सो ओरली आप ऐसे बहुत सारे स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज कर सकते हो टू इम्प्रूव योर मेंटल कैलकुलेशन, बट इंश्योर जो भी स्ट्रैटेजी यूज कर रहे हो उससे आंसर्स आपके एक्यूरेट करेक्ट आने चाहिए। Now let us focus on tea shop. In junk seller also we had a word problem on tea shop. Now let us see over here. Yusuf runs a tea shop. For making a glass of tea, he uses 20 ml of milk. Again, my dear children, 20 ml, 1. Quantity of 1 is given. So yesterday he made 100 glasses of tea. So how much milk did he use? So dear children, आप मुझे बताएं 20 into 100 कितना हो गया? Put the 3 zeros and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2000 milliliter is how many liter? Can you tell me? Yes, 2000 milliliter is nothing but 2 liters. So यूसुफ को कल 2 liters of milk लगा, ठीक है। Radha's grandma was ill. The doctor gave her a bottle with 200 ml of medicine. She has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. Dear children, राधा की grandmother बहुत sick है. So 200 ml of medicine is given. So 200 ml of medicine 10 days के लिए चाहिए. Now dear children, you have to find out the quantity of 1. So which operation will you use? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Absolutely correct, it is division. So try solving with division. In the next class, we will discuss this word problem in detail. Take care, stay home, stay safe.